side are excited too. Are you guys excited on this side? Are you guys excited on this side? Yes. Okay. How about the guys in the middle? Are you guys excited on this side? Woo! I know. We have all of them here, 18 of them, as you very well know. And before we proceed, I just wanted to thank you and introduce you the people who really made this evening possible. First of all, I'd like to thank our Lighthouse Productions, which is headed by Mr. Archie Mindoro, our executive producer. Palakpakan natin, Archie Mindoro, who is our executive producer, and our line producer, Nanette Labrador. Let's give a big round of applause to Archie and Nanette. There you go. And then you also have Bercia Enterprises under the leadership of Lerma de la Cruz Cailes. Lerma, let's hear a big round of applause for Lerma. Actually, Lerma coordinates the stars from the Philippines going to the United States. And of course, the man behind the scene who really got this together, organized this group, the man of the century, Mr. Johnny Manahan. Let's give Mr. Johnny Manahan a big round of applause. And also, Tita Mariolette of Star Magic. Let's give a big round of applause. These are the people behind what you are going to see tonight. 18 actors and actresses, performers, doing a fantastic show. They had a show in LA last night. But I think, you know what? This is going to be a better show. You believe that? This is going to be a better show than last night. So, to start the ball rolling here, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce to you, this is a very young performer, and she's not only a fantastic singer, but she's also the valedictorian at her school, St. Mary's School. She's a 16-year-old from Gilroy who is a junior from Notre Dame. And she is a musically talented young lady who not only plays the piano, she also plays the guitar, and she sings at the St. Mary's Church in Gilroy. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to Katrina Pasal. Katrina!
It's always around me, now it's up and down. I thought relationships are nothing but a waste of time. I never wanted to be anybody's other half. I was happy saying I love that wouldn't last. That was the only way I knew, so I met you. Say I do. Cause every time the floor is feeling baby, you're so baby, no, I can't live without it, I can't let it go. What did I get myself into? You never wanna say I do. Tell me, do you feel the same? Know me well enough to know that